Hello and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Mel and today I'm going to be sharing our current initiative, 2 a Day. Now that you've logged in, let's see how you can download your free resources. Today I'm going to show you a category that I've been interested in, Years 3 to 4, Classroom Management and Back to School. We have lots of new resources coming out every day, so keep checking for new resources every day. And today we're going to have a look at the new Nature Classroom Setup Resource Pack. This is what I'm interested in at the moment. Click on Download Now. Now that I have downloaded my chosen resource, you can see on the download button, it tells me the remaining number of downloads I have for today. So 1 of 2 free downloads are used. To download another resource, I can go back to any category that I like. I can go to Foundation to 2, Back to School, and select something a bit different. I might select a native flora class PowerPoint to communicate my class routines and rules. And it says 1 of 2 free downloads are used, so I can download this one again. I just click download. Once it is downloaded, you will see that I no longer have any free resources to download today. But don't panic, there's always tomorrow. If you want to learn more about our 2 a Day free resource downloads, you can read about it in our blog. To find the blog, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and under Tools, click on Blog. You can either search for 2 a Day in the search tab here, or scroll down until you find it. This blog will give you information about what is 2 a Day, how do I claim my 2 a Day free downloads, and our new back to school resources. Happy downloading! This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next time for more Twinkl Tips.